meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. So for the month of July, we're going to be opening the Witch's Moon box. Be sure to check out this awesome company linked down below. Without further ado, let's rip this open. Ooh, I'm so excited, guys. What is in here? Ooh, my tarot card's blue. It matches my shirt. So let's see what the theme for this month is, and just look at how amazing everything is always packaged, guys. I'm just always in love with their packaging. So let's pull the string off. I want to see the tarot card, but let's wait on it a little bit. Let's see what the theme is. So this couldn't resonate more with me, guys. The theme for this month is literally called Psychic Armor. I just took my crystal grid apart and I'm gonna charge it outside right now in the sun, and I'm putting it on my altar. I'm gonna do lots of magic to it to enhance my crystal grid, guys. Intuitively, I know that I need to be doing this work, and what are the odds that the theme is that? That's so funny. So it says, as we continue to craft and create our intentions on this beautiful journey, we must be vigilant in protecting our space and psyche. The very familiar tasks we work to maintain our awareness towards impending spirits and energy that intend to disrupt and invade our workings and well-being. We are not naive in thinking that we can walk unprotected on this earth. Me. We need to stand confident in knowing that we surround ourselves with many guides, friendly spirits, and natural allies. In this very sacred collection, we work with one-of-a-kind tools that were created to fortify your psychic armor so that you may practice your craft without fear or intrusion. I love that, guys, because I just, sometimes want to do that, and I do, but it's just nice to have little allies on. Protection symbols, crystals, have your aura protected, have grid made, a crystal grid to protect you, and just having your shields up, your layers of them. So I love that, guys. And what tarot card did I get for the month? Ooh, it's live in the moment. What you're looking for is with you. Oh, this is so beautiful, guys. And oh my god, I'm seeing a message on the card, so we're gonna do that later. But thank you, Witch's Moon, for my magical oracle card reading. I love that. We have some beautiful things in here, guys. What is this? It says, within this circle, within this space, I call upon my guides to protect and keep safe. All that is not welcome must leave, so note it be. What a beautiful Book of Shadows artwork. It's got like the Ober symbol almost, but with the, not triquetra, but like power 4 energy, so like the 4 knot energy. Ooh, we got Hematite Crystal Book of Shadows artwork, guys. We got Smoky Quartz, Black Obsidian, Book of Shadows artwork. Ooh, and I've been craving some new crystals too. So are we getting crystals in this box, guys? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ooh, is this a cauldron? No way, we got, I think, a bigger cauldron, guys. In the past, they gave us one of these, and it was a cute mini one. This is so cute. It's got like that Egyptian kind of vibe to it almost, but very magical. Oh, I love this, guys. And this little placemat that you can put it on top of. Oh, I'm happy. I like that so much. And what else is in here? We have the Lunasad bath salts, because the next solstice is coming up, guys. Ooh. It smells so good. I just love it. There's rosemary and the salt, and we just got a rosemary plant, a couple of them outside, guys. I totally need to harvest some of it and dry it and totally make some too. Oh, this smells so good, and I feel like I can so use one of these cleansing baths with all the things that happen in life. And ooh, we got some other things in here, guys. We have star anise, a good ingredient to use in your magics, and we got some kind of rope incense. I wonder what the scent is, guys. It smells good. I'm assuming Nanga Champa maybe? I'm not sure, but it's neat. I like how this burns quick, so when I'm in a pinch to like go to work, but I want to do some daily magic and prayers, I want some of that incense smell to... Yep, it's Nanga Champa rope incense. I love it. So I like how this burns quick, guys. So when you're in a pinch, you're gonna have to go somewhere quick, but you want to still do a little bit of your magic. It's awesome for that. Or even a quick cleanse, guys. You burn it, and then you just cleanse your jewelry and your crystals, and you're all set for like a good old quick one. I just love that. And it looks like there's another piece to that cool little cauldron, guys. I wonder what they're calling it. I'm gonna have to read you the information, of course. I just love how everything is so unique. So It's so cute, guys. There was that little placemat you see in this little topper, so you can burn instant cones or the rope incense and the smoke will wafт through the holes of it. Or I can use it as a little mini cauldron. Oh my god, I love it, guys. It's gonna match my altar so good. So excited about that. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon, for all the magical tools you send me, and my altar is looking so cute thanks to you guys. And oh yeah, with psychic armor, guys, doing some psychic protection, some good old magics. We got a beautiful black beeswax spell candle. So this is a very protective color, guys. That's why witches wear it. Good thing my hair is black. Absorb all that negative energy. So I'm so happy to work with this black candle. I'm like so in the mood for fall. I don't know about you guys, so that is super exciting to have gotten that. And it looks like we got a little potion. We got more herbs, guys, and we have a little box that I think is gonna have some crystals or something. Oh, I'm so happy. So we have some peppercorn and devil's claw herbs, so can't wait to add this to my little arsenal of magics. So I really want to open the box, but I'm curious on what the potion is, guys. I last mine for the month of June and it smelled so good. I have no idea where it went, so I hope I can find it one of these days. So there's definitely a big piece of clear quartz in here. I can hear it, guys, to amplify the energies within. Ooh, this smells good too. I like this, guys. It's a subtle scent. And oh yeah, we're gonna be protected. I love that. Thank you, Witch's Moon. And what is in here? Let's open this up, guys. This is so fun. Cute little gift. What? It's a smoky quartz mala, guys. This is so pretty. And it looks like there's obsidian. Oh, so it's a knotted one, which is great. So when you do your mantras and stuff, you guys want to use your middle finger, because your index finger, you don't want to use that one. There's reasons why, like, because you're pointing and like it's your eagle finger. So you go like this when you do your mantras, like Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Amitra Tejavate Soha, Theta Om Bekanse Bekanse Maha Bekanse Ratsa Samagate Soha. So you kind of go like this. Definitely look up Amala video, guys, to help you out with that. But I think there's like obsidian or tourmaline, smoky quartz, hematite. Like, oh, this is such a nice mala. I'm so excited about this one, guys. So excited about this one, guys, because it's like all the protective stones. So like psychic armor, yes, and shadow season, yes. Like witchy time, I am feeling it fall. Oh, I just love this so much, guys. And the knots are amazing, so it helps it not break. And I have personal from experience, I have a mala with Guan Yin, that Buddha on there. And it's broken many times and my mala wasn't knotted. So I'm happy with this one. It took a lot of hits for me with the psychic protection. So I'm so excited to use this one because I don't really use that mala anymore, guys. It just breaks all the time. So I just keep it in a secret spot. But ooh, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon. Sorry for blabbing, guys. Let's read what this is all about. So it's a psychic protection and enchantment necklace. So okay, I got you. I'm putting you on. It says, many moons in the making, this wonderful psychic protection and enchantment necklace holds such power and potent energies. Carefully strung and tied between each bead, this necklace has been cared for and created with pure intention, specifically for this collection. As a token of protection and intuitiveness, allow this necklace to be your steady and sure companion during rituals or meditations. We do not recommend allowing others to touch or wear this necklace, as it will be charged with specific intentions and energies familiar to your path and purpose. We have created this necklace with black obsidian, smoky quartz, and hematite stone beads, ensuring that each has been picked for its quality and beneficial properties. Many of these stone beads are for creating scrying mirrors or gazing balls. Black obsidian allows us to receive messages and signs. Obsidian is a protective stone and is known for its ability to keep us grounded and free from negative attachments while we journey into ritual workings. You also find hematite beads placed within this necklace, a very prominent and protective stone. Hematite is a true ally, getting rid of any stress and anxiety, including energies that you may be currently draining you. Oh my gosh, thank you. I need this necklace right now. This stone restores confidence in the quartz for its transformative qualities, known for its ability to rid the wearer of anxiety and uncertainty. Smoky quartz provides gentle and reassuring energies, allowing smoky quartz to recenter you on your path and reawaken your senses. In addition to creating this necklace for protection and enchantment purposes, we have followed the anatomy of the mala to bring the sacredness and symbolism into your workings, containing 108 beads for this very specific to the mala, and known as a member of the existence to the Vedic tradition, as well as the importance behind the beads. The tassel holds the symbolism of the 1000 lotus petals as you place this necklace in your hand. So an affirmation we can recite, guys, is that I am protected and powerful. After the use of this necklace has been charged, it can be worn during rituals. After each use, this necklace has been charged and can be worn during rituals or throughout your day to capture the energy placed within. Allow this necklace to refine your psychic sight, fortify your protective barrier, and realign you on your path. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon. I'm so in love with this, and I'm happy that it is a mala too, guys. Oh, I just so need this energy right now, and it's so neat how this box is all around it. I am so ecstatic about this and cannot wait to wear it on my wrist or on my neck. I just love it. Thank you so much. This box is amazing, guys. I'm just so in love with it, and a mala like this on its own, guys, can cost in the hundreds. So to have gotten an awesome mala, all these magical tools for such a compelling value, I just love the Witch's Moon. They're so awesome, guys. This is an incense vessel, guys. They have placed this decorative container within this collection so that you may burn incense or simply store any items that may be sacred to you. This container can also be used as a censer when sand and charcoal have been added. Placed on your altar among your sacred space. So cute. Oops, I dropped the paper. So I'm going to use this as a little incense burner, guys, as well as a nice little cauldron too, when I put some sand in there or salt and put my charcoal disc on top and burn my herbs. I love this, guys, because I kind of needed one. I keep on going back and forth with different things I have, and this is going to be so perfect to put on my altar, like where Goddess Nyx is right here. I can put it right there, and I just can't wait to add this to my altar. It'll be a nice addition. Totally needed a little something like this, so thank you so much, Witch's Moon. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check the Witch's Moon out in the comment section and description box down below. Let them know that I sent you guys. They have such amazing magical boxes and magical tools on their moon market. Also, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below to be notified for all of my future content. And like always, guys, from heaven to earth, may we all be blessed and protected and rejuvenated in Goddess Nyx's loving embrace. May it be as above, so below. May we meet, may we part, may we meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.